grab the cash box, take it to the cash station. Victory, the team with the most cash. Okay. Duck and cover. Ah, I see, because there's a duck in the background. Ah, y'all clever. There's medium. What's heavy have? Sledgehammer. That's not worth it. I feel like I'm going for the medium. I feel like the revolver's just the best option.
Here we go. The big splash.
Already, everyone's hitting that shit. I can't lie. What is this emo?
Finally, the steamrollers.
Let's get into it though.
The arena has loaded. Buckle up.
Almost
The
here.
big splash are applying pressure to Vault 2.
Now I know why. Oh my god. The bitch.
A contestant is in need of a revival after that encounter. It's our first elimination.
I hope the viewers at home are ready for a wild ride.
It's dipping already. Oh yeah, we have it. Heavy's gone. Come here.
The match is starting to heat up as the Boundless have started our first cash out.
Both. Oh, I actually won that. Oh my god. Thank you, my man. You really thought you can out fucking play me like that? Nope.
The high notes
Okay,
are
out of
tuned into
here.
success. Great steal.
What? Why is this gotta be such a distance though?
Zipline time. Explosive mindset. Cash out. Deploying a surprise.
Want someone to fall for that? Alright, where are we going? I'm going up to, alright, nice. We actually got the cash out. If I can actually make this.
Hitting the road
No,
with a
I
cash
can't.
out in progress.
I really
It's the
thought I could make that jump.
Steamrollers.
I tried hit firing, that shit did not work. What happened?
Ouch, the
Our teammate
Steamrollers
died.
suffered a wipeout. The Steamrollers have returned to the arena. The big splash just plunged into action, stealing a cash out.
Remember, that's
I'm so
illegal
sorry,
in
I
many
fucking-
jurisdictions, but not here.
Oh my god, he really just got fucked. Got one? He just died because of me. I'm so sorry. Bro, are you kidding me? Bro, did you really just fall for that? Oh nah, I hate myself. I'm throwing now hard. Okay, fuck me, I guess. I can't aim for shit. Fuck me, I guess. I can't aim for shit, and I really stuck through it for my teammate. I'm so sorry. I really threw that shit for my teammate. Hey, my god, thank you.
The high notes seem to be extorting Vault 3. Drop the mine. Cash out completed by the big
If we get
splash.
him up, we're good. Get another man up. God, be kidding me, of course, bro.
I love the smell of a fresh vault in the arena.
Ah, so fucking annoying.
Steamrollers will begin half of this
Purple
match.
Dinosaur, I really fucked up, Mr. Purple Dinosaur, I
The big
can't lie.
splash are stretching into the lead. Deploying a zip line.
Damn. Bro, let me just set my dumb ass down for a second. Yo, my thing is low-key lagging. Hold on, give me a second. That means that they're dropping frames like crazy. They're dropping frames like crazy.
Let's see whether any contestants go after a team wipe here. In our tournament match, strike results in a loss of cold hard cash.
Bro, I'm out. Yo, no, I'm out here. I can't do shit. Hold on. Give me a second.
Actual dog because this match is heading into overtime.
Yeah, we ain't gonna fucking be able to get this gang. I can't even lie.
The Steamrollers are back and ready to avenge that team wipe.
How the hell? Yo. I suck. I'm horrible. I'm horrible. I'm horrible, gang. I'm horrible. Okay, the revolver's just not for me. I'm not gonna lie.
The high notes have grabbed the lead.
Are you kidding? Oh, you fucking asshole, bro.
Seconds left for our contestants to change the game.
No way I get shot at, right? No way.
Back for more action are the Boundless. They'll be looking to remind the fans of their infinite valor.
Let's go. I think like that we win. We get first place. The snatch of the lifetime right there.
All out of time. Unbelievable determination from the competitors. One of our teams have just paved their way to fame. Congratulations
Yes,
to our
sir.
winners.
Alright, let's get into it. I was bad at a revolver. How bad can I be with a sniper?
Our contestants will need to use every
Hopefully better.
spot their opponents.
Say hello to our arena and to one of our favorite giant mascots. I'm pretty sure there used to be a cathedral here somewhere. I wonder what happened. The Kingfish are tapping into Vault 2.
Ooh. Go pick me again. Damn. Okay. Be kinda hard.
Vault 1 is being opened by the Ultra Rares.
I missed. I hit that.
The match is starting to heat up as the Kingfish have started up first cash out.
Hey, leave me alone. Picking on the light class for no reason. Leave me alone, heavy. Like goddamn.
The Ultra Rares are initiating a cash out. The powerhouses have respawned.
Nice. I'm great. I'm so good at this game.
Special delivery.
Setting a mine.
Using blitz grenade. Frag out.
What the hell
Kingfish have
happened?
grabbed the advantage.
I just went down. Hurry up. Peek me again. You won't. dead. I saw the mine and I really went into it. I saw the mine and I just walked right into it. I'm such a fucking idiot. Purple dinosaur, no! What the hell?
We just passed that.
Oh, it was him. I was like, purple dinosaur.
Impressed with the team so far, June. Charge to cash.
He didn't miss the shot. I did.
Watch out, set in motion by the
He didn't miss the
Kingfish.
shot, but I did. Guess so.
Attention here as the ultra rares are stowing away cash box. Cash outside.
Got one at least. Oh my god, why I get in there so confident? Like I'm oh, cause I am him. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I didn't get shot from him, I am him. I was him. I can't lie. That's why I dropped down so confident. Cause I'm him.
Crowd is becoming a bit of a
Lie to you. You're dead.
With hazards all over the arena, our contestants would do well to
Bro, I was gonna revive you. Are you kidding me? Purple dinosaur.
keep breathing, right, Scotty? Keep breathing. Grenade set.
Yeah, I don't know what I was trying to do there. I thought maybe.
As our show seems to have attracted
I thought
intergalactic
maybe I could do
visitors,
that.
And they don't seem to
I
be
could
friendly.
not. Oh. You kidding me? A red team? Oh, you get died by purple, by orange. I thought by red. Damn, that's crazy. Now, bro, getting in there.
On the way, the ultra rares are in the lead. Pyromine drop. Pyromine deployed.
Boy, Pike's getting in there. Oh shit. Nah, bro, talk your shit, Pike. You got a sledgehammer. Show him who's boss, Pike. Yeah, Pike, show him who's boss. Yeah, fuck him up, Pike. Bro, Pike out here. Well, that's not a headshot.
The Kingfish have returned to the arena.
That's not a headshot. I'm so bad.
With only 30 seconds to go, our contestants are still bringing the action.
Fuck you. Or at least fuck you.
Arena's calling.
Alright, let's go. Alright, with shotgun, I'm fine with
Nighttime
this.
here with reduced visibility. Hopefully our contestants will
Let's get
bring
into
midnight madness to the arena.
Contestants who try to duck into the usual safety of the stately cathedral in this match may find that plan has crumbled.
I thought maybe
Time to
someone would get hit
adapt.
by it. I don't know who I thought would have
The
been my
steamrollers are
target.
pouring into Vault
You.
2.
Hey, bro, by the way. Is he on orange? Damn, he was by himself? He's running solo. Damn. Oh. I thought I was to creep my way inside a window. You think I'm gonna fall for that? I go around that. Never mind. I fell for one. Oh, you think? Oh my God, no! You gonna come in? No? Oh fuck! What the hell? How did you die?
The Steamrollers are looking to make a name for themselves. First cash out started.
You probably died by him. Oh, it wasn't my fault. I was nowhere near the team. That was my bad. I should have stuck with the team more.
The Retros are rejoining the match.
Frag out.
Okay. Okay, found you. I don't care. I'm sticking it. I don't care. I'm not afraid of nothing. Stuck it.
Just like that, the cash out belongs to the Retros. What a
It's just like that. I'm out. Holy, that was a heavy, I think. Oh, fuck. No, I couldn't get the God.
calamity for the
What, my
Retros.
team's wiped too?
Back fondly on the play.
Oh my God. Please tell me you guys fight for it. Please tell me no one gets it. Wait till I come back. Please wait till I come back. That's my cash out. I need that. No. Stop him. No, you guys are part of the same team. Fuck. Damn, man.
Another team's funds. The Retros are back in the arena,
Throwing
folks.
some poison.
What a way to open the match. The
I missed
Steamrollers
that.
land the first cash out.
Oh. Oh. You're part of my team! And you get sniped. That's crazy, huh? That's wild, right? You're not even part of my team and you get sniped by the guy I was trying to kill. So it's your fault. You're stupid. You should just dead ass let me kill them. And you ass would have been alive. You ass would have been alive. You just let me kill the man. But of course not. You just want to be difficult about it, gang. What a bitch, bro. Like, if you just let me... Nah, I'm not gonna revive. Don't worry. Thank you for resting me. I appreciate it. Let's go. Vault 3. That motherfucker was just like...
The powerhouses are strong-arming Vault 3.
I wonder... No. I tried to slide. Something nice, but my dumbass just can't. Hey. Let me in. Cool, I'm out.
We are halfway through now. The anticipation is driving me crazy.
Where am I? Let me in. Ah, you missed the sniper, dumbass. Next time, hit your shots. What the fuck? Mr. Kool-Aid Man just came out of nowhere.
The Retros have just started a cash out.
Bro, Mr. Kool... Oh my god, I really got no scope. I really got no scope.
Setting a zip line. Oh, look at that steal by the powerhouses.
They're
Oh, yo,
signaling
this guy
something,
got... My
Scotty.
man got...
They're saying game on.
Fuck. Also, yo, both of them are just getting hit up, bro. Damn. Nah, I'm coming back too.
Loading a surprise.
I'm coming back, don't worry. Oh, he's in there. Oh, he's in the thick of it. Bro was on it, bro. Bro wants all the smoke. Still know how grapple zip lines work. Because I'm still ass with them. No!
Mighty just
He
jump
died to a
started a
fucking
cash out.
sniper. Oh my god, teammates. Bro! We're falling apart.
Misfortune for the Retros. Team wipe.
Oh my god, we're falling
Do a
apart.
retrospective on that play.
Oh my god, I suck. I suck times 2. The fuck is that? Are you a whole nother squad or something? We made wrong zip line. Bro, wrong zip line. Let me go for this one. Damn.
Tossing a frag. Frag grenade set.
Cash out completed by the powerhouses.
One.
A new vault. Our
Oh,
contestants
that's all my bad. I can't lie. Let me up. Damn, bro. Damn, why you fucking think so? Man, you got him.
A wipeout and a setback for the Steamrollers.
Yep.
Eliminations will now generate an extra chunk of cash. This could benefit our offensively minded contestants.
No way. No way. Yeah, no way.
Stashed. The mighty just cashed out.
If I was a heavy, nah, if I was a heavy, I wouldn't be able to make it there.
The
in time.
Steamrollers just made their return to the arena.
Close though.
Some action in the arena as the retros are opening.
Damn. I was close though. I was close though.
1 minute warning. This 1 minute warning was brought to you by Us Booze.
Oh shit, he's gonna get me? Oh, what a man. With a G. With a G. No.
30 seconds of the match.
I thought I hit him. Put that shit in.
10 seconds. Go for cash out A. Now.
Pass it to me, gang. Oh, bro should just passed it to me. I would have gotten there in time. Damn. Oh well. GG's. Dun 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 dun.